birthday present. So let's get started. My birthday was on 17 November and there's a lot of presents, so I'm thinking I should go with this one first. This one feels floppy, so I think it's a close. It's pretty easy to open. Whoa. I see a head, but I don't see. How much happened? It's a Barbie doll and it's articulated. Wait, I want to open this too. Sorry. Okay, it's just the packaging. I never stop. Whoa. It's so pretty. Okay, I can see it. Whoa, her hand fell. Whoa. This is also my first articulated doll. Look at her, she looks so pretty. She has hair decoration, her hands move. Look. And then she has this lace type of thing going around her neck, and then she has this super cute dress, super big dress with these cute holographic stars, hearts, and her legs are at the bottom. She's wearing these nice shoes, and then she has the legs don't move actually. So I really like her. She's so pretty. And her face, look at that eyes and her face and her mouth. She's so pretty. This is officially my favorite doll of all time. On to my second gift. Written on the back, Pink. I think I should call her Pinky because that's a nice name. Okay, there's another packaging now. Why is there too many packagings? Her hair is having a feather cut. It's like a feather. And I like the hairstyle. It's so nice. I don't know why I just like the hair. It's so soft and silky and nice. She has really long hair. Okay, I like her dress. Has these nice little laces around it. She has cute little eyes. Green eyes. And she has these cute shoes. And I like her hair, it's so nice. It's this nice pink color. Light, very light color. It's mostly bright, but it's kind of pink. The next present, the third present. So let's start opening it. It's not the Frozen doll, it's Frozen 2. I'm not Frozen 2, I'm not Frozen. And here's Elsa, and now I have Anna, and there's both sisters. So I have both of them. So let's open this one. Just put it in there, but here she is, so bright. And this nice dress. So freckles, And this dress. That sounds weird. I don't know why. Sounds like paper. Okay. And her dress and her. And now they're about sisters. Now sisters forever. So now we have gift number 4. How to make your own loom bags. I said fashion loom. Ooh, so nice. It's DIY, do it yourself over here. So I'll open this and show you in another video in detail. Now, gift number 5. So Oreo chocolate dip. This is gonna be yummy. It's gonna be yummy. And then we have Rockle Dharma. And then we have nut. And then we have, what's this? I don't know what it is, but it's cookies. There's 4 things, and they're gonna taste so good because they're chocolate. You can never go wrong with chocolate. Hope you enjoyed me opening up these toys. And hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and bye!